Okay, number 17, 1 yard in 6 minutes. We're going to find the unit rate for letters A for all of these, and then we're going to use that unit rate to convert it to whatever they're asking us in letter B. Okay, 1 yard in 6 minutes. To get it down to 1 minute, you have to divide by 6. Divide this by 6, and you know that 1 divided by anything ends up being that fraction. So here we have 1/6 of a yard per minute. That's our unit rate. And how do we get that up to 18 minutes? Well, you've got 1 minute times 18. To get to 18 minutes, you know how to multiply fractions, right? Glory be about that. 1/6 times 18, it is 18 over 1. It's a whole number. Okay, you can multiply straight across and you would end up with 18 over 6, or you can cross cancel, divide by 6, that's 1, divide by 6, that's 3. Either way, you end up with 3 over 1 or 3, because 18 divided by 6 is 3. So here we're going to put 3 yards for 18 minutes. Okay, number 18. If we have $72 for 7.5 hours, what is your unit rate? This one calls for a calculator or just some really good math brain stuff. So take your money, take your $72 and divide that by the time, which is 7.5 or 7.5 hours, and we get 9.6, which is $9.60 per hour. Okay, and they want to know what this unit rate would be at 40 hours. So we're going to take that 960 and multiply it by 40. And we get 384. Don't forget to label it. $384 in that 40 hours. Okay, same thing with the next one. So we have the money for 18 hours. You want it the unit rate per hour. So divide by 18. So 130 helps to click your calculator. 130.5, divide that by 18. We have $7.25 per hour. I think that's minimum wage. It's 25 or 7.25 or 7.50. Anyway, $7.25 an hour. So if they work 40 hours, how much would they be earning? Take that $7.25, multiply it by that 40 hours. I'm on the wrong thing again. Sorry, 725 times 40. Good thing you guys are so patient with me. I appreciate that a whole bunch. $290. Isn't it slick to just use a calculator and do your thing here? Like I said, over time, you'll start memorizing things and it's great. 126 miles in 3.5 hours. Also, feel free to challenge your brain. Try this out, see what you get. Pause the video and then play the rest and see how you're doing, because this is the exact same thing you're going to do on your assignment, page 165, numbers 6 through 9. It's this exact thing. Okay. Number 20, 126 miles in 3.5 hours. So take your mileage and divide by the time it took. 3.5. 0.5 is your 1/2 as a decimal, right? So get it down per hour. We have 36 miles per hour. So if each hour is 36, you take that 36 times 9. 324. Do some quick, like, does it make sense? Yeah, just a quick, especially using a calculator, like, hey, does this make sense? 324 in 9 hours, miles in 9 hours. Got it. 2 inches in 5 seconds. You're going to get it down to per second. Okay, I need to draw this one. So divide by 5 to get to 1 second. Divide by 5. Well, when you're dividing that number, you end up with a fraction, right? 2/5 of an inch. 2/5 of an inch per second. Okay, and now again, it's really a good thing that you can you know how to multiply fractions. So we have 2/5 times 15 seconds. Now here's where things might kind of glitch for you. Be careful. It's not 1/15. It's 15 over 1. Okay, it's not 1/15, it's 15 whole. I would cross cancel here, divide by 5, that's a 1, that's a 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 over 1 is just 6, and I maybe should have kind of done this more off to the side. Sorry, I'm going to clear it and put 6 inches per 15 seconds. Okay, the last one, $105 for 2.5 hours. Divide by 2.5 to get it down to 1 hour. Start with your 105, divide by 2.5, and we've got $42 per hour. If you want to write the word per, that's totally fine. Hold on. 5. Okay, you guys, this is weird. My computer says 2.5, but my book says 12.5. Oh, good gravy. Okay, so I'm going to assume that my book is correct because, as you know, my computer gets really silly sometimes. Let's fix that and let's say that's really 12.5 because why does it do this to me? Okay, fixing this. Sorry, 105 divided by 12.5. Again, thank you for your patience. So that I'm like $42 an hour is a lot, but okay. So my book says $8.40 an hour. Okay, so take that 840. Oops, that's not how we rate money. We need a 0 in the pennies place. There we go. So you're going to take that 840 and multiply that by the 40 hours that they're wondering about how much money would they earn. $336. 336. And there you have it. I think you guys will be just fine, but I'm here for you as you need me. Just reach out and yeah, just a reminder, if I don't get back to you right away, I promise I've not forgotten you. I will help, okay? So you do your thing and keep smiling. See you later.